Employee attrition, also known as employee turnover, is a major challenge for companies worldwide, costing organizations significantly in lost talent and resources. The cost of replacing a single employee can range from 50% to 200% of their annual salary, often exceeding $15,000 for entry-level positions and up to $100,000 for senior roles. Recruiting, onboarding, and training new employees takes time, resources, and money, making predicting employee attrition extremely valuable. This project uses data-driven machine learning techniques to identify employees at high risk of leaving, allowing HR teams to take proactive action. Our system is built using the IBM HR Analytics employee attrition dataset, containing detailed records of over 1,400 employees. This dataset includes demographic information, job roles, salary levels, satisfaction ratings, performance scores, and work-life balance. Our project trains a machine learning model to predict whether an employee is likely to leave the company. The final model is integrated into a user-friendly Flask web application, providing instant predictions like employee might leave the job or employee might not leave the job. This project combines multiple technologies to create a real-world, deployable solution. Key technologies include Python for programming, Pandas and NumPy for data manipulation, and Scikit-Learn for machine learning. Logistic Regression serves as the prediction model, with Pickle used for saving the trained model, and Flask for back-end development. HTML and CSS provide a clean, interactive user interface, bringing these tools together into a professional-grade machine learning application. Before training, the dataset undergoes several pre-processing steps to ensure accuracy, including removing unnecessary columns and converting categorical values. We create new engineered features based on HR insights, such as combining satisfaction metrics into a total satisfaction score. Salary, age, distance, working years, and hourly rate are converted into Boolean factors, and categorical values like education level are one-hot encoded. This helps the model better understand patterns and increases prediction accuracy, identifying trends like higher attrition among younger employees. Increased risk is also observed for employees living far from work and those with low satisfaction or low monthly income. Job roles like laboratory technicians show a higher churn rate, adding real value to HR analytics. After pre-processing, the refined data trains a logistic regression model, chosen for its simplicity, speed, and interpretability. This algorithm helps HR teams understand why an employee may leave, not just predict the outcome. The model is trained, tested, and stored as model.pkl for real-time usage, achieving reliable prediction accuracy on the IBM HR dataset. The prediction model is integrated into a Flask-based web interface, where users see a structured input form. Fields include age, monthly income, job role, distance from home, and number of companies worked. Other inputs cover education level, work-life balance, training frequency, and satisfaction scores. Once details are entered and predict is clicked, the Flask server processes the data using the same feature engineering logic. The model then predicts whether the employee is likely to leave, displaying the result on the screen. This provides HR teams with a simple, interactive tool they can use without any technical background. This project offers real value in practical HR environments, allowing organizations to identify employees at risk and improve retention strategies. It helps optimize hiring costs, increase employee satisfaction, and support data-driven decision-making. For students, this project is an excellent demonstration of real-world machine learning deployment. By working on this project, students gain hands-on experience with data pre-processing, feature engineering, and machine learning model training. They also learn model evaluation, Flask web development, and integrating ML models into real applications, creating a complete end-to-end system. This project helps students stand out during academic presentations, interviews, and portfolio reviews. The employee attrition prediction system is a powerful combination of data science and web technology. It replicates what many HR departments are trying to implement today: smart analytics to understand employee behavior and reduce unnecessary turnover. This project not only predicts attrition, but also provides insights that help organizations make informed decisions. Thank you for watching this detailed walkthrough. This project delivers both technical depth and real-world value. It's an excellent choice for students, engineers, and anyone interested in machine learning-based business solutions.